In this video, we will see what is the date function and how to use day function in Tableau. So for that, first we have to create one calculation field. So I'll just click here and select the create calculation field. I'll name it as a day function. Then I click here and then select day. So in date, we can see here there is one function day. If I click here, so we can see here there is on the right side it is written it will return the day of the given date as an integer. So we can see here in the example. So here it is the day function, and in between we can see the example as a 2004 4 12. So we can see here 12 is the day. So in the return, it will return the day of this particular date. So let's use this function. I click on day, and then I'll take the date as the order date. I click on apply, then okay. So first I'll take the order date function and drop it onto the row, and I'll make it as an exact date, and then I'll convert it to discrete. And then after I'll take the day function and I'll drop it onto the row shelf, and then I'll click on drop down, go to the measures, and I'll convert this into the average. And then after again click on this drop down and convert this field into the discrete. So now we can see here on the the another column has been added. So we can see the value in this column. So it will showing the same value, the same day which is present into our order date. So we can see here it is 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. So if we scroll down just below and compare it to the different dates, so we can see here the order date and the average day. So in the both of the column we have the same days. So this is how we can use the day function in Tableau. And thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more.